Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Nokia 800 TUF, for the first you have to open the menu. And right now just find the recorder. And it's right here. Select. Click New. And tap here to start record. And right now the smartphone is recording sounds. And if you want to finish, you can click right here or just pause it, whatever you want to do. Right now we can rename our record or just straight save it and check how it sounds. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!